Hello you guys, welcome back to Free Tech TV. I thank you guys for tuning back here today for another exciting episode. It is Techtober and we just had one of the biggest events of all at Techtober, and that is the most anticipated phone of the year, some could say. That is the iPhone 12. Yes, the iPhone 12 event just got wrapped up. It was their online event due to COVID-19 and all the restrictions that come along with that. But we got a lot of goodies and some exciting announcements to go over, and I just wanted to share my thoughts with you, of course on the event as a whole, but also on the iPhone itself. So without further ado, let's dive on in. If you guys are new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you where we do all things tech here on Free Tech TV. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And just make sure to subscribe to support this channel. New tech videos coming out every week. So with that, you guys, let's dive on into the exciting news here. So firstly, we got an array of new iPhones. So we got the iPhone 12, we got the iPhone 12 mini, and then the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Max. So there's going to be different screen sizes there. Another big difference is going to be that the iPhone 12 now supports 5G. Yes, we've been seeing over the last year some Android phones supporting the 5G feature. So it's very exciting that we finally have that on one of the most popular smartphones on the planet, the Apple iPhone. So the iPhone 12 brings that 5G connectivity so you can have lightning fast downloads and upload speeds. Regardless of the file size, it's going to be very quick. But the shortcoming there is not a lot of 5G accessible to everybody yet, according to the 5G maps. Even with all of them at AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile there's still a lot of people left out, but they're certainly working and getting that coverage right away. So, a lot of the main cities, you'll certainly get that extra bit of 5G connection there. So another awesome feature with the iPhone 12 is going to be Apple's new A14 Bionic chip that is going to have smaller transistors, so it's going to have a much smaller footprint, the chip itself on the motherboard there that's inside the phone. That's going to allow for much better processing. So it's awesome to see that we can get this much more power from such a smaller chipset. Also, another exciting part is going to be MagSafe. Yes, Apple did introduce MagSafe to the iPhone 12. So this is going to bring much better connection if you are using wireless chargers and you may not line it up right. This time you'll know 100% you line it up perfect every time, getting the most power there, getting all the wattage that you can out from the wireless charger and into your cell phone battery there. And this also allows for a lot more use of accessories, so you're going to see the MagSafe being used in cases, wallet, and kind of snap-on accessories there that will use the magnets built into the iPhone there. So that's pretty awesome. So we'll certainly see a lot of creative uses for that. And the other exciting news is going to be the LiDAR. That's not going to be in all the iPhone 12s, unfortunately. It's just going to be in the top tier model of the iPhone, but that is going to allow for some very exciting augmented reality specs and new uses for that with the camera. So it can really map out the room and the distance, and you can really get a lot of creativity with that and really explore a lot more with the iPhone camera on that top tier iPhone. So that's very exciting to see. You'll see that on the back of the camera, just have an extra cutout on the camera right there where there's 3 cameras. You also have the flash, and now you'll have your LiDAR there too. But that's also going to give you much improved low light pictures. So that's going to very much help with that. All the iPhones have a new processing chip with the cameras there, so the cameras do look a lot better and certainly do perform a lot better in low light as well. Other than that, we do see a little bit difference in design. It is thinner, it is quite a bit lighter. We could get those bezels even thinner, but it is nice to see Apple taking this approach here. Overall, I'm very happy with the announcements. Is that in the iPhone boxes themselves, you are no longer going to find a power brick. Apple has stated that there is over 2 billion power bricks out there right now, not including all the third-party ones as well. So they're no longer going to give you that in the box. Instead, you're just going to have the charger. That charger has been updated, It is now going to be a USB Type-C to Lightning connector there included in the box. So the boxes are going to be quite a bit smaller as well. So you're going to be seeing a lot more thinner iPhone boxes in the unboxing videos that will happen here. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video, you guys. Let me know your comments and what you thought about the Apple event as a whole or the iPhone 12s as well. I'm very interested, so let me know down below. But that's it, you guys. That has been a quick breakdown of the Apple event and the new iPhones that came out. You can let me know what you think in the comment section below. Subscribe and like this video. New tech videos coming out every week. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.